In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact cars.com customer service. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in cars.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of cars.com. So if you would like to contact the support for that, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, contact us, that you can see at second. Now after you do that, you'll be able to contact the cars.com customer support. You'll be able to see the contact details for various department over here. If you want to contact the national advertising team, you'll be able to see the email over here. So you can simply send them the email. Likewise, you'll be able to contact the public relations team via the email or phone number. You can also contact the billing department and cars.com offices. So like this, you'll be able to contact them via the phone or email. Or you can also send them the feedback. For that, click on this option, leave feedback, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to leave the feedback. What you have to do is click on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to see bunch of questions over here. You can see the first question, how would you like to rate your satisfaction? Simply click on the option of your choice. Likewise, you'll also be able to see other questions. Simply click on the options of your choice. Now what you have to do is simply keep answering the questions. Now you'll be able to add the informations over here, so simply click on this field. After you do that, you can provide the additional information over here. You can simply enter your feedback. Now you can also upload the images if you want. After you do that, click on this option, done. Now you can see over here your feedback has been submitted. Now they'll contact you regarding your feedback. Likewise, you'll also be able to chat with them. For that, click on this option, start chat, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here the chat box will be opened. What you can do is simply click on the message bar. After you do that, enter your message over here. You can simply ask your question or describe your issue. Now once you enter your message, press enter. Now you can see over here your message has been sent. The customer support bot of the cars.com will reply to you promptly. So like this too, you'll be able to contact them. So that is how you contact cars.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.